everybody, it's Julie, and I am so excited. I went to the mailbox and I totally wasn't expecting, but my junk truck kit has arrived. And again, I told you I had to wait till Friday, till payday, to be able to purchase this, and when I went to purchase it, it was on sale. So I am excited to get this and to make something. I really loved the material. That was the fun thing. I'm excited to go ahead and I haven't had a chance yet to look at the videos that came with the kit, but I will be doing that. And this little envelope has the secret links to the videos that she put in. So this is Jessica Huffman. She's I'm a Cool Mom on YouTube and the Cool Mom Book Boutique on Etsy. And she also has her Junk Trunk Facebook group. So her Junk Trunk crew this time was Kiss My Creative, Lindsay Zenor, Creatively Free to Be Me, Scrap Your Own Way, and Luna Rozu. And then she used these three shops, and they're also, they have items in this kit. So it's Tsunami Rose, Above Par Crafts, and Feed the Birdies. And Feed the Birdies is just on Instagram, and Tsunami Rose and Above Par Crafts are in Etsy. So, so anyway, like I said, I loved this material. And this is what actually caught my eye. And so I'm excited. I'll be making something in this direction. I can't have flowers growing sideways. So I probably will be doing like a traveler's notebook style this time, it looks like. So yeah, it's I have a couple of OCD things. One of my OCDs is, do you see that? Even just that bothered me. They have to be growing up. So, yes, I love this material, and I love the thickness of it. Look at, oh, just so pretty. So, there is a little bag of embellishments. It has a bulb pen and a key. And, you know what? Let's go ahead and take these out. Some buttons and some book corners, it looks like. Oh wow, look at the size of that, the ring fastener for the spine. So there's a couple of bulb pins and a key and some book corners and then some buttons. So that is the hardware part of the kit. Okay, so then I'm going to turn this over because another part of this kit that was kind of neat was with Tsunami Rose, she actually printed off of one of Tsunami Rose's her kits, and it is a planner, I believe. So you get the full kit. And then you can go through and cut these items out, and got envelopes and pages. Oh, look at that. Very cool. More pages. These could be journaling cards. And more pages. I like the bow. So I'm looking at this. I'm wondering if I can use some of that all that peach stuff that I've been picking up at Target with it. I bet that might work with it. And I was just looking for something because I'm putting together really some kits today using this, and then they'll come with the vintage, the ladies, and the digital kit. And so I was going through some paper. Anyway, so I was going through some paper and I found something that I think I might be able to use with this. We'll have to see. So you also got your cardboard that you would want to use to make your book. I believe one of her videos that comes with the kit is how to make a rounded spine, curved spine. Okay, so this is one of the little packages of ephemera. So this is really neat paper. I don't know, it might be origami paper or like vintage wrapping paper. This is a flinch card. And how to care for your gloxinia. Okay, I kill those. Hopping puddles for kangaroo is nothing but a snapperoo. I love that. Gloxinia. Yeah, see, to me, gloxinia is just safe funeral from when I worked in the flower shop. Yeah. Who likes gloxinias? Message me if you like gloxinia. Or comment below. Oh, so that was, uh-oh. I don't know if that was from Above Par Crafts. The sticker fell off. And I'm sorry, but it's been a long time since I watched Jessica's video, so I don't know which one. But look at this cool envelope. That's cool too. Plant tags, though, are fun. Okay, so this one's Above Par Crafts. So this must be Feed the Birdies. Okay, so this must be the one from Feed the Birdies. Very cute, and I like that. I can just cover that. Gloxinia, I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, so this one has the, oh, I think this is a flower kit. Making a flower kit. And I like this washi tape she used. So this is the stamen that you would put in the center, and then she has cut some circles. And here we have a piece of doily or a tablecloth. Very cool. Oh, look at this. I wonder where that is. I wonder where that is. If you're watching, where is that? I'm curious. Very cool. Oh, and a library card. I think that library cards are fun. I love to see the people's writing. This is from Canada. Okay, so, and that one came with this bag. Oh, feels like there might be something. Nope, it was the seam of the bag. And so we also got her card, Above Par Crafts on Etsy. So she has supplies and things. So do go check her out. I know she's also a subscriber, or she does watch. Sometimes she watches my videos. So very cool. I love the bag. Love the bag. Okay, so we have some stamps. We have Europa, Belgium. So we got the guy's down. He's down. And this one. And these decorative envelopes. This one has a reindeer on it. Very cool. And breastfeeding. And a couple of craft colored doilies. So we got a couple of the large tags and one of the medium tags. A pink guest check. Some wax paper or parchment deli paper or something. I don't know. Cool. A napkin. Some vintage wallpaper. Isn't that pretty? It's really pretty. Another piece of the material. Oh, I think she said this was bookbinding material. And this piece of lace. And a napkin. So this is the junk trunk, the spring junk trunk kit. I love this napkin. And I don't know, but I pulled out this. And I think I might use this along with it. If it will work, like I said, I didn't go looking for this. I'm looking for stuff to go with that kit right there. Oh, that would have gone with the blue. But I liked this material. I didn't want the blue. So, yeah, I think that this might go along with it. I will have to see when I start playing with it. So, who all out there who splurged and got the spring junk trunk kit? And did you get this one, or did you get the blue material? There was choices between the two colors of material. And yeah, so I'll have to see what looks good with the Tsunami Rose paper. And then I'll have to figure out what kind of orientation I'm going to make for my book. And I'll be doing that right away just because, you know, I want to be able to do it. And I didn't get my other one, her last kit. I didn't get it done right away. I mean, I still haven't done it. Yeah, I still haven't done the last kit. So, yeah. So that was the junk trunk kit. What do you think? And did you get one? What was your favorite thing? I love that material. Love that material. I think the addition of the other shops is really cool. To have those different things. And, you know, basically you have a whole junk journal right here. All the papers, and you can just add if you have some of your favorite papers, or you can put this in your in the printer and put some backgrounds on it if you have some backgrounds that you might want to use. I'll have to see about the coloring. I may stencil and stamp with this. These are a few of my favorite things, it says. So, yeah, there we go. Oh, there is a bicycle. I was like going, was there a bicycle? Because there was bicycle stuff in that. Actually, in at least three of the things that I went through, there were bicycles. So, anyway, find something to celebrate every day. Go check out Jessica at I'm a Cool Mom on YouTube. And also her, was it cool? I can never, okay. Cool Mom Book Boutique in Etsy. And then the Junk Trunk. She has a Facebook group. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here. And, oh, also, don't forget the amazing Make It Junk Journal Challenge. I have details in the video that is in the description box here. There are prizes. There's 4 categories for you to make choose a category, make a journal in that category, and there are prizes. So the 4 categories are: I've never made one, and I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna finish it, and then you share with us what you made. Category 2 is I started something, I put it over there, and I've never finished it. I'm going to finish it. Category 3 is I'm going to make a junk journal for myself because, you know, like the cobbler's kids that never have shoes, I don't have this junk journal, or I don't have a junk journal for this and I would like one. So go ahead and do that. And category 4 is I need a special gift. So maybe you have a wedding coming up, a baby, just a gift that you want to give to somebody, a prayer journal, something like that. So that would be number 4. So again, the video explaining the rules and how we're going to do it are in the description box below. And after you've watched that video, please comment there. I'm going to do this. And we look forward to having a whole lot of people make it and make it amazing. Have an amazing day. Thank you for being here. Bye.